Hi everyone, again I'm coming back with one new video. Even I tried with this trick actually by using AI. So usually before starting with the PhD, identifying the problem itself like one big task, right? When you come across with a problem, then carrying out is easy, but before like identifying the problem, so that will take time. So obviously, so I'm going to show you one video. In this video I'm going to show you by using AI tools like how we can easily identify the problem. Okay, first by using chat gpt itself, I'll go with that. This is just a trial and error, but whatever the answer you are going to get it, like a problem or is the research gap, you are going to get it from the AI. Again you have to go through, and that you can revise it, or else you can go through it and later revised or else updated problem you can define in your particular area. Right, so let's get started with this try. So here, you once you open chat gpt, simple like free version I'm trying. So your plus symbol is there, you just click on the plus. So when you click it on the plus symbol, that means here you will get like add photos and files. Okay, I'm going to just upload one file like from my downloads, like recently few papers I have downloaded. So one I'm going to upload. So this is the paper I'm going to upload it in the chat GPT. So here you can see that the PPT paper is getting uploaded. So what I'm going to check is that I'll ask, so here once after uploading the paper that you have, ask anything. So simply I'm going to ask the chat GPT, find the research gap. Find the research gap and identify some future work. Just I'm giving asking ChatGPT. Let's see how does it going to work. The file I'm going to have uploaded, and I'm asking find the research gap, identify some future work. So here you can see that it takes hardly like 10-15 seconds to read the paper, and it will give you some research gaps. As like I reviewed the paper, and here is a summary of the research gap and future work directions. So here you can see that research gaps from the paper like moisture and thermostability issues are there with the like whatever the material they have analyzed, and inconsistent fiber properties are there, weak fiber, like that. Whatever the results they have got, based on that it is giving some research work. As well as here you can see that because I have asked for like identified some future work, and here you can see that some suggestion also it is giving, like advanced fiber treatments you can go for, or else hybrid you can go for, like process optimization you can go for. Then see here it is giving modeling and simulation also you can, and application specific development. So like that it will give you the data. So let me check with by uploading one more paper, because I'm going to compare between the two papers. Can you give for this document also, as like in a simple conversation, as like you are going to ask some friend or someone, as like similarly you can chat with a chat gpt. So here I just asked like, can you give for this document also? I have not specified research gap or literature review or else the problem definition or future work. It will by default understand whatever the comment I have given before. Similarly, it will understand by default. And here also it has given some research gap. Here you can see that, and as well as it has given some future work also. So now let me check by asking some question like, can you compare with the two documents and give some problem definition? Let me check how this works. Okay, I'm just asking ChatGPT, can you compare with two documents and give some problems? Here you see the reply of the ChatGPT. Perfect. Since you have uploaded two review papers on Fiber, I'll do a comparison and then frame a problem definition that reflects both documents. So manually, if you're going to this process, nearly like for reading one paper itself, like it will take 2-3 days. Again, summarizing and comparing with other papers and finding out research gap, it takes like, you can't compare between like only two files. I suggest you to go with like more than 30-40 papers. So what you can do here is that, see here, so aspect document 1, document 2, common gaps. Here it is giving some common gaps also. And here you can see that some problem definition also it is giving. That means, so at a time, like when you are free or when you are working on it, you go with like 5 to 6 papers. So here also same way you can keep on adding the files, and you can ask ChatGPT to find out the research gap. And after getting the one, particularly like after going with recent like papers like 10 to 15 papers, and you start compare between these papers, and finally you can come across with the research gap, and you can get the problem definition. So what I'm telling is trying to say is that, so within like shorter time, you need not to invest more time, and brilliantly by using today's technology you can identify the problem. So that is the thing I want to communicate. Let me check whether it works for another paper. Wait, I'm going to upload one more. Yes, it is going to take the multiple files. You can upload like, I think, I don't know at what extent it is going to accept the files. Again asking, can you compare with this also? Okay, let me check. Oh yeah, it is. See here, now that we have 3 documents, so it is not like there is no limitation. I think you can go with the multiple papers uploading like files. So obviously it is going to compare with all the files or document you have uploaded, and you are going to get the new research gap, and you will be getting the problem definition. So what I'm suggesting is that don't directly copy the things and don't consider it as a final problem. It is just like some data you will be having, it like summarized data, some idea you will be getting it. From that idea, that later on, like, you can frame the problem. Correct, that's what I wanted to say. So this is the thing I want to communicate with this video. I hope this video was you find useful. So please, I request, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your individual subscription helps me a lot to grow this channel. So keep supporting, keep watching, and don't forget to share this video to your like friends, classmates, or whoever is interested is doing research. Thank you so much, and let's meet in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm telling, please subscribe. Thank you.